Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kai and I love hair tutorials. I don't know about you, but I do. So today is my daughter's hair day. And when I say my daughter's hair day, I mean she's a 3-year-old toddler. And we all know how 3-year-old toddlers can be when you're trying to do their hair. They fiddle, they cry, they don't want to get their hair done. But luckily I have like a super trooper because she actually loves doing her hair and getting her hair done. So I'm going to go ahead and take this opportunity and share all of my tips, my tricks on what products I use, what techniques I use, and hopefully I can produce something nice for you guys. So stay tuned and go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button if you want more tutorials on hair and anything else. So let's go ahead and get into this video. I'm starting off on clean washed hair. Look at her, she's so beautiful. She has very curly hair. I'm starting off with some shine gel, some edge control. I love that edge control. I live by it. I die by it. That is a water spray bottle. I will be wetting her hair. I will be using my demi brush, my wide tooth comb, my parting comb, and my heat protectant spray, which I did apply to her hair before I got started. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and spray down her hair. Let's go ahead and loosen up the tight curls that she have and soften up the hair, because we don't want to comb the hair or brush the hair when the hair is dry, because it can cause a lot of breakage, it can cause a lot of snapping, and we don't want that. We want to keep the hair healthy. So right here I am massaging the water into her hair. Spraying more water because her hair absorbs a lot of water. And here I am going ahead and loosen up them curls by detangling the ends. I'm going to go ahead and section off her hair. And now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry so that we can stretch the hair so that it is easy, manageable. I'm able to braid a lot more better without her curls getting caught up in my fingers. And there we are. It's all blow dried out. Look at that stretch on that hair. Look at all of that hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start parting my hair. The way that you want to section for this hairstyle is you want to go ahead and section in fours. And then when you section in fours, you want to section your fours in 2 sections each. I know that doesn't make sense, but it will make a lot of sense once I show you how to do that. So here I'm going to use my Shine Jam. It's just going to help make her parts a lot more neater and a lot more straighter. Okay, so here you see I have made 2 sections already. I'm going to go ahead and braid that down and get that out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and start on the sections at the top. I'm going to part that in 2 sections. section and part that into 2 sections. And I'm going to do that all the way around her hair. So you should end up with 8 sections. As you can see, she's getting a little antsy because she wants yogurt and I was not about to give her yogurt. So here I'm going to go ahead and start using my edge control. It's just a firmer hold than the jam. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to the roots. And now I'm going to go ahead and start my braid. So as I'm exampling here, this is how we're going to go ahead and braid all of the braids starting from the nape of the neck, and we're going to braid to the center of the head, and we're just going to do that all the way around for every 8 braid. So as you see here, we got our 4 braids, neatly parted, neatly braided. And so now we're going to go ahead and start on the front section. So now we are down to the last braid. And here's our finished product. Nice and neat. That's how a good job is done. No crying babies, just beautiful artwork. So now I'm going to go ahead and rubber band her ponytail. And we're going to go ahead and add a cute little knocker ball to go on it. And so now we're going to go ahead and add our beads. And there we have it. We are all done. Check that out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial that I have done on my daughter's hair. If you guys would like to see more hair tutorials, please click that like and that subscribe button, and we will see you soon.